let's get into this unboxing hunty. Okay, I just received my Galaxy Tab A8 in the color pink, and I've already popped it out the sleeve. Let me chunk this out the way. Look at that pink, love. It's gorgeous. Here's our rear camera, and then I'm gonna flip this on over. It's a 10.5 screen. There's our front camera. And then in the box itself, we have the charger, as well as the quick start guide little manual. And I'm about to go ahead and get into this, and I will let you guys know how it goes. Alright, y'all, I have the charger in, and you can see it a little bit better now since I have my brighter light on. And I have just powered it up for the very first time. As you guys can see, it's a pretty nice size screen. This is a 10.5 inch. I have the 32 gigabytes. You guys are needing more storage and whatnot, you guys can do that. This is all I needed for what I'm going to be utilizing it for, and so let's get into it. Alrighty, and so while my tablet is getting ready, I've already started up my Wi-Fi, and I'm just letting everything upload here. Alrighty, you guys, I am back really quick. I did go ahead and buy myself a tablet sleeve. Purple is my favorite color, and hunty, this one matches my nails, by the way. This one is so cute and so adorable. I actually already put my tablet in here, so you guys can see that. And it has a stand. If I can get it to go, y'all, I'm gonna try. Hold on. That ain't the way it go. that ain't the way it go. But it's supposed to have the stand is supposed to fold. I'm not folding this right. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, I got it set up now. So as you can see, it has a little stand, and the stand props up your tablet like so, and then you're good to go, love. And so here, I just wanted to include a few photos so you guys can get a clear look of what everything looks like. I actually purchased my tablet and my case both from Amazon. I will include the links below. I hope you guys have enjoyed.